discuss or to show you how martial arts support us not just for body but as a basic form of self-defense. Begin with like Muay Thai. Muay Thai is a cultural dance, cultural martial art of Thailand.
Develop. Develop.
Actually, Muay Thai is an adapted version of Muay Thai, which means ancient boxing. During the ancient time, Thai fighters or Thai people um, uses a use their hands as a weapon in a combat. Like King Naruhita in 1560, he was captured with the Burmese warriors, but offered him a freedom if he could beat some of the great Burmese warriors. But he defeated them all, went home, and told it as the legend of my life. Next is the Waiku. Waiku is a ritualistic and traditional dance carried out before Martin fighters engage in the ring. That dance is shows respect to their masters, to the sport of Muay Thai, and to their country. It is also a basic form of showing respect to their opponents and their leaders. This, these are the four types of Muay Thai. First is the Muay, first is the Muay Thai. It emphasizes on the speed. This is where you kick on your opponent using your legs and your below your knee, your it was not like the other martial arts like Taekwondo or Taekwondo. They usually use their feet to longer the range and force, but Muay Thai fighters uses the below the knee part as a form of defense or next is the Muay Thai. It emphasizes on strength. When you train Muay Thai and being practiced for several months, you can see some changes on your body, but not on the part of the stomach. Actually, Muay Thai focuses on the that part of your body, but you cannot produce abs. Actually, the Muay Thai focuses on that part of your body. It produces muscles that will aid you strength. And next is the Muay Lupuri. It emphasizes on breath. The cleverness of the Muay Thai fighters, because Muay Thai fighters used to be more needs to be relaxed at work, to be focused, and take shot. Next is the Muay Thai. It emphasizes on good posture and defense. About all the martial arts, only the Muay Thai uses the knee and the elbow for self-defense. It helps blocks the upcoming punches or kicks of the opponents. Actually, Muay Thai has been popular since before and now because of its unique style in the form of martial arts. It's been popular to many countries, even though Muay Thai has been originally popular in Thailand. But until now, Muay Thai is popular like in America, the United States, or other countries. Even though Philippines is very popular. Right now, Muay Thai is not just a form of how to fight people, but also a part of self-defense to protect yourself, nature. That's all.